Many pharmaceutical manufacturers and other process manufacturing companies continue to rely on manual, paper-based systems to maintain their batch records, but these systems often fall short, resulting in product quality issues, recalls, and warning letters, not to mention costly delays getting a drug product from the manufacturing line to customers. MasterControl EBR can change all that. Delivered as part of the MasterControl Manufacturing Excellence suite of configurable solutions and services, MasterControl EBR eliminates the inefficient paper-based management of batch record processes and provides greater automation, visibility, and traceability throughout the production lifecycle. The electronic batch record solution integrates manufacturing and quality processes, so regulated organizations can gain control of their manufacturing data, documentation, and line performance for every major step in producing a drug product. This means no incomplete data, no illegible documentation, no outdated training, and no disconnected quality events. In 5 important ways, MasterControl EBR gives pharmaceutical and process manufacturers the tools necessary to ship product faster with full confidence in quality. 1. Capture data completely and accurately. With MasterControl EBR, multiple users, even trusted third parties, can securely collaborate on batch record processes with parallel and sequential processing and FDA-compliant e-signatures. The EBR solution enables companies to easily capture and store all user entries to make them immediately available for reporting. Automatic data integrity checks ensure the data entered is complete and in the correct format. 2. Gain real-time deviation tracking. MasterControl EBR allows companies to seamlessly integrate the recording, assessment, and approval of any planned or unplanned deviation into the overall manufacturing process, with in-process corrections published on a completed record and a compliant audit trail. Tying deviations to the batch makes it easier to release a batch knowing there is no open deviation. 3. Enforce employee training. With MasterControl EBR, companies can automatically track and enforce worker training to ensure training records are up to date. By capturing all data and recording all signatures as operators conduct their daily activities, the solution helps managers easily determine whether personnel on the factory floor have been trained on each task. 4. Improve audit readiness. Rather than file away paper records and manually retrieve them as needed, MasterControl EBR electronically tracks and stores batch record information in a central location and quickly delivers complete, error-free forms, greatly improving audit readiness. The solution offers immediate access to collected data plus record retention with a comprehensive and compliant audit trail. 5. Ensure delivery of safe products. MasterControl EBR captures real-time data across the entire manufacturing process and sounds a warning if a problem arises, so companies can quickly contain the affected drug product and take corrective action, minimizing the risk of recalls. By improving visibility into operations and identifying errors at their source, the solution facilitates faster product release and more consistent product quality. Simply put, replacing a paper-based batch record system with MasterControl EBR enables manufacturers to streamline and error-proof processes for right first time, every time, reduce cycle times and accelerate product release for improved cash flow, and integrate quality and manufacturing to ensure GMP compliance. Contact MasterControl for a demo.